Hi everybody, this is Michael. I wrote an easy little line dance to a new song by David Archuleta. It's called Crème Brûlée, and I thought this is a nice little song. Let's come up with something that everybody can do. It's a 32 count, 4-wall line dance, no tags, no restarts. I'm going to start with my weight on my left foot. I walk twice, 1, 2. I'm going to shuffle, 3 and 4, rock recover on 5, 6, and then I'm going to do a half turn as I do a shuffle, 7 and 8. Yeah, so my weight was on my left. It's walk, walk, shuffle, rock, recover, shuffle with a half turn. My weight's on my left. I'm going to cross point twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to do a jazz box, no turn on this. So it's a cross, step back to the side, and then I'm going to cross at the end of that jazz box. Yeah, so that phrase of 8 was cross, point, jazz box, 7, 8. Now I'm going to do a side rock recover for 1, 2. I'm going to do behind and cross, 3 and 4. Do the same thing on the other side. Rock recover, 5, 6, behind and cross, 7 and 8. Yeah? So that's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then I'm going to turn twice to my left. These are little turns, 1/8. So I roll onto my right foot, recover, roll onto my right foot, recover. Yeah? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now my weight's on my left foot. I do a rocking chair, rock, recover, 5, back 6, back 7, forward 8. Let's walk through it once. Weight's on our left foot. 6, 7, 8. It's walk, walk, triple step, rock, recover, triple half turn, cross, point, and jazz box. And now side rock. It's 1, 2, behind and cross, rock, recover, behind and cross, little turn, rock, recover. Let's do it once with counts. Weights on our left foot. 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's your 32 counts. That's the whole thing. You got it.